A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. AB is the pedestal and this BC is the height of the statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degrees. From a distance D, here it is observing the angle of elevation is 60 degrees to the top of the statue, and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. That is B. Top of the pedestal is B is 45 degrees. They find the height of the statue. We have to find out the BC, nothing but h meter height of the statue. You have to find out. In this diagram, there are two right angle triangles. Right angle at A, one is BAD and the other one is CAD. First right angle in right angled triangle BAD. Angle is 45 degrees, that is ADB. ADB is equal to 45 degrees. Here AB is opposite side to angle 45 degrees and height of the pedestal, height is equal to, it is given 2 meters. AD is equal to adjacent side is equal to distance between the foot of the pedestal and the observer. That is not given D meters. BD is equal to hyposide K meters. Opposite side by adjacent side is equal to AB by AD is equal to 2 by D is equal to tan 45 degrees. Therefore, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 2 by D. D is equal to 2 meters. Hence, we got that D is equal to 2 meters. Now, we have to solve the other right angle triangle, that is CAD. In right angled triangle CAD, angle is at D, hence ADC, angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees. Opposite side, that is AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB is equal to 2 and BC is equal to H meters. That is 2 plus H meters. Next, AD is equal to adjacent side is equal to distance is equal to D meters is equal to, we got the value of D is equal to 2, hence 2 meters. And then CD is equal to hypo side is equal to M meters. Opposite side by adjacent side is equal to AC by AD is equal to 2 plus H by D is value we got it, that is AD 2 meters is equal to tan 60. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 by 1 is equal to 2 plus H by 2. By cross multiplying, 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus H is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 is equal to h. Here root 3 is equal to 1.732. Hence 1.732 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 3. 3.464 minus 2 is equal to h. That is 2.000464.1. H is equal to 1.464 meters. Hence, height of the statue is equal to 1.464 meters.